My wife and I graduated the same day in Trenchard Hall in June 1961. And actually, she took her certificate before mine because, she did a degree into our honors history. So she took her certificate, BA certificate, about 15 minutes before mine. A few weeks later, we got married. And when this disaster began to happen, 1959, like you can notice, when British maneuver election, don't return on a post, no, don't you go where, Lati Requain, Kambukumbo, Lawati, a few people, about 5 of us, that found the Action Group Student Association, University College Ibadan. It's a University of Ibadan, University College Ibadan, 1959. So by 1962, Tiwawa declared war against the Western region, suspended the constitution of the Western region, suspended the elected government, sent Chief Awolowo to prison, etc. Our decided, okay, now we have to fight back. Chief Awolowo moru awa ọmọdé ni wá. But I found the Action Group Students Association to invite one or two of us, including me, to want to read in that in Christ School. And we got together in 1962 and founded and refounded the Action Group Youth Association, not Student Association anymore, Motukuro University, Youth Association. Because the Youth Association I was leading was the strongest in the whole of the country, in Ekiti. They decided the first major congress was held in Ado-Ekiti. And I was elected vice president of the Action Group Youth Association. Then 1965 came. We had expected that we would get rid of Akintoye and put somebody else there as our premier, but they went. The Northerners came and rigged the election for him massively, and we said we will not accept. That's when we began to fight. That's when we began. My wife was our women leader. I was vice president. We started to fight in October 1965, and our lives were in danger all the way. At this stage, so a person like me, there, that is to see look on now. 2 nights running, in some belale, couldn't allow like to see no. And finally, some military boys took over. And I was able to go back to my studies.
It was not that easy.
My wife is telling me, you are telling the story as if it is that easy. It wasn't that easy. Because the day I was returning to the university after the coup, I wasn't sure that they would take me back. Yes, I have done good work of research and so on, but I was afraid. My legs were shaking. I was driving my small Volkswagen car, and I was shaking behind the steering because I feared that they've been looking for me. They had sent telegrams to my home in Ado-Ekiti. I sent telegram to my uncle, the way of Ado-Ekiti, and so on and so forth. But I saw the telegram, but I did not respond. I just kept fighting. But mercifully, they took me back. And I was able to go on and complete my PhD. And became a university lecturer. An assistant lecturer for a start, then lecturer, then senior lecturer, then finally university professor. That's where, soon after that, Baba came out of prison. And he was sucked into the Gawan military government. And Baba Oni, sorry, Baba. Many of you will cry. Baba had nothing. Thank God, my mom was there. On Tashoni Bagi. And Mama said to us,